the literal first thing that happened, like 2 minutes in to us getting into the hotel, Coda, one of our dogs, pooped. So, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Light, blah 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 blah. So this is day 4. Yesterday I didn't film at all because it was hectic. So day 4 we woke up at like 8, almost 9, pretty much 9 because I missed the hotel breakfast. But yeah, so by hotel I mean we evacuated. Oh my gosh, it was a mess. Like, we woke up yesterday, and I think it was around noon. I was doing schoolwork, and I just started like looking at the news, and it was scaring me, and I was like, I don't want to be in the middle of 40 to 60 mile an hour winds. And I don't know, I feel like we would have been okay if we stayed, but for my first hurricane I kind of didn't want to be there, so I don't know. My husband wanted to stay. Oh, am I sweating? Great. Gross. Yeah, he wanted to stay, but he loves me, so he went with me. It's been awful with the dogs though. Like, they are freaking pains in the butts. Oh my gosh. They won't eat because it's a new place and it's all like scary or whatever. So they won't eat. The literal first thing that happened, like 2 minutes in to us getting into the hotel, Coda, one of our dogs, pooped. And it wasn't like a nice, oh, I'm gonna just pick it up and throw it away kind of poop. No, it was a freaking diarrhea poop. Oh. And then the whole hotel room stank. And I just can't. I just can't. And then they're keeping my husband up last night, crying. So he took him out at like 4 a.m. But I'm annoyed. And he's annoyed right now. What time is it? It is 9:39 a.m. on a Thursday. I have schoolwork to do. I have to get through the lesson plan and then quiz on Saturday. That's like, I have duty all weekend, so like, oh my gosh, I'm stressing. Anyway, on the bright side, I got Dunkin'. I really don't like Dunkin' because it's like always too sweet, but I told them to like not make it too sweet, and it's better. It used to just be like pure freaking sugar. So, and then my favorite is this croissant, bacon, egg, and cheese croissant. Oh my word. So good. It's getting a little hot in here now. I was gonna eat it. Oh yeah, can we mention like how bad this lighting is? Because be quiet. Jeez Louise. Well, I was gonna eat in the hotel room, but Brody's asleep and it's dark and then the dogs are all over me. So I decided to come outside. Cause F all that. F. This has not been fun. We are in Augusta right now. I think that's like 3 hours. I'm honestly not sure. We stopped like so many times for the dogs. I lost track because it was way longer than what it should have been. Goodness gracious, we have today and we're gonna leave tomorrow morning because me and him both have to be, or him and I both need to be back at noon tomorrow. Oh, and I hope the house is not ruined. When I checked the news this morning, there was like a tree that fell down in the middle of the road somewhere. I don't think it was anywhere close to our house, but if it did that, we have we have about like 3 trees around our house, and I really hope none of them broke into the house. Oh my gosh. One's right above my car too. Oh my goodness gracious. Well, you'll see in the rest of this video how our house turned out. Okay, I'm just like boring myself and you guys, so I'll give you an update if anything crazy happens today. I doubt it. That right there. So it's better. Yay! Only a little yellow. Woo, woo, woo. Gonna head back soon. Hopefully today. Alright everyone, we're headed back. It is 4:32 in the afternoon. We should be back by like 7 or 8. But yeah, the hurricane is like over. So we're hoping it's not too bad when we get home. I'll record like first impressions of the house or whatever, but yeah, that's really it. We're just gonna drive home. Here's the pups. Can't even see him, just Coda. Brody forgot his charger in the back, that's why he's right there. Then we're gonna get gas and head out. We just had Witch, so yep. Hello. Alright, okay. See ya in a bit. Everyone, we're back. We are back. Hey, that wasn't nice. Yay, Lynn! There's a backyard here. Whoa. All right. There's no damage done. There's a lot of bugs out here though. It's really disgusting.
Oh, the little froggy.
Where? Oh, look. Oh god, he's definitely gonna jump. Can you see it? Look at the little froggy. He jumps on my camera. Oh, look at him. So cute. So cute. All right. Honestly though, guys, it smells like the ocean. No damage to my car. There is one branch. One branch. Okay. No damages. No damages. Cool beans. There's a spider on my car. Nothing up here. Parts of our palm tree fell all over the place, but dang! Tip-top shape. Nothing over here either. Alright. Alright. I guess it's sick. Ooh, bug. And the power's on. No leaks. No leaks. Alright, well. It was kind of pointless to leave, but whatever. Better safe than sorry, guys. There was a lot of tree limbs and everything that was down, so nothing by our house, but anyway, looks good to me. Alrighty, well, sorry, that's just like my paint spot. Sorry if it wasn't exciting or anything. I'm just glad that everybody's good. I go back to work tomorrow. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, I'm sorry. We're just gonna be unpacking. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and goodbye.